we're gonna go get some food. We're gonna try the Francesinha, which is a gut-busting sandwich that's traditional to Porto. Alright, so this is it. The Francesinha al forno. So we're gonna check it out. Here's the entrance. It's a little blocked by a vehicle right now, but here you go. And yeah, it's like a 3-minute walk from the vegan options. 3-minute walk from our Airbnb. So let's go on in. Watch your step. It's kind of a high step up. Let's grab a seat and order the Francesinha.
What it is.
Alright, so that's gelato over there, but this is the restaurant. Very pretty. We're gonna have our seat. Alright, so here's a close-up of the menu. We're focusing in on this section in particular.
Why? What's on that section, honey?
The Francesinhas. And they've got one that's got steak, sausage, pork, smoked sausage, ham, and cheese. They've got roasted meat, fresh sausage, pork sausage, ham, and cheese. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know what the difference is. Ooh, there's a spicy one.
Nice.
That sounds like a plan.
Yep.
Okay, so I guess we'll go with that. And I'm scared because I heard that it's gut busting, so I don't want to order starters. I don't know. I don't know what that means, and I'm scared to order anything else for fear that that's going to be a lot of food. So
find out.
We're going to start with that, and then if we want more food, we can always order it. Ooh, this is the other thing. Natas. Oh, pastel de nata. It is a traditional pastry here in Porto that you should also try. Guys, here it is.
I didn't think it doesn't look like a sandwich, does it? I thought it was like a soup when I first saw it.
You thought it was a soup?
I mean, yours looks like a soup. Mine, like, because I got the super spicy one. Wow, the plate is super hot, so you gotta be careful.
What did you think it was?
I don't know. It doesn't look like a sandwich, a burger, or anything like that to me. So they told me I have to pour the super hot sauce on top of it, just like that. So I guess my hot sauce is super hot sauce and compared to Nicole's. Yeah.
It came with chips, and we also got a side order of fries.
Yeah, so let's I'm gonna open this up so you can see, because I'm sure the insides are the same, right? From both of ours?
I don't know. I don't think.
So everyone can see. This is what it is in the inside. If you're curious, looks like there's bread, some meat, and some veggies. Spicy veggies, I'm sure. Cool.
All
Want to check yours out?
Yeah. First, let me also show them our drinks. So they have a Spanish cider here that comes in several flavors. I got the peach. And then Jason also got some sparkling water. So I will open mine up and let you see what it looks like. They've got a toothpick holding mine together. So yeah, it looks like...
Can't see.
It looks like meat. Just meat. I don't have a bunch of vegetables and stuff.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it so you can see better.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, mine just looks like meat. Yeah.
Sweet. All right.
All right. Let's
dig in.
try it.
You gonna try it and tell how that is? Or what?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a quick bite.
All right. So Nicole got the spicy one, and they said that they recommended this one because the one that I have, this one right here, they said it's super spicy. It's even spicier than the regular spicy one. So I'm gonna test it out. What do you think, Nicole?
It's good.
Yeah? Is it spicy like she said?
I don't think it's terribly spicy, no.
Okay, cool. All right, we're gonna enjoy eating now.